Be ready. Start. It is argued that a member of the service is entitled to benefit of reasonable doubt and is not to prove the conditions of entitlement. Stop. The benefit is to be given more liberally to the claimants in the field of service cases. Stop. It is also pointed out that a disease which led to discharge of an individual will ordinarily be deemed to have arisen in service if no note was made at the time of his acceptance in service which is attributable to or aggravated by military service in non-battle casualty cases and is assessed at 20% or more. Stop para. For the purpose of determining whether the case of a disability or death is or is not attributable of service, it is immaterial whether the cause giving rise to the disability or death occurred in an area declared to be a field active service area or under normal peace conditions. Stop. It is, however, essential to establish whether the disability or death bore a causal connection with the service conditions. Stop. All evidence, both direct and circumstantial, will be taken into account and benefit of reasonable doubt, if any, will be given to the individual. Stop. The evidence to be accepted as reasonable doubt for the purpose of these instructions should be of a degree of cogency which, though not reaching certainly, nevertheless carry the high degree of probability. Stop. In this connection, it will be remembered that proof beyond reasonable doubt does not mean proof beyond a shadow of doubt. Stop. If the evidence is so strong against an individual as to leave only a remote possibility in his favor, which can be dismissed with the sentence of counsel. Stop. It is possible but not in the least probable the case is proved beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. If, on the other hand, the evidence be so evenly balanced as to render impracticable a determinate conclusion one way or the other, then the case would be one in which the benefit of doubt could be given more liberally to the individual in cases occurring in field active service areas. Stop. The question whether a disability is attributable to or aggravated by military service shall be determined under the rules in Appendix 2. Stop. Unless otherwise specifically provided, a disability pension consisting of service element and disability element may be granted to an individual who is invalid out of service on account of a disability which is attributable to or aggravated by military service in non-battle casualty and is assessed 20% or over. Stop. The question whether a disability is attributable to or aggravated by military service shall be determined under the rule in Appendix 2. Stop para. Regulation 48 provides for disability pension to an officer and Regulation 173 provides for disability pension to an individual consisting of service element and disability element who is invalid out of service on account of a disability which is attributable to or aggravated by military service is non-battle casualty cases and is assessed at 20% or more. Stop. The question whether the disability is attributed to or aggravated by military service is required to be determined under the rules as in Appendix 2. Stop. Appendix 2 contains the entitlement rules for casualty pensionary awards 1982 promulgated by Ministry of Defence on 22/11/1983 as amended on 21/8/1984. Stop. These rules apply to service personnel who become non-effective on or after 1/1/1982. Stop. The relevant clauses of the said rules reads as under. Stop. The approach to the question of entitlement of casualty pensionary awards and evaluation of disabilities shall be based on the following presumptions. Stop. Para. Prior to and during service member is presumed to have been in sound physical and mental condition upon entering service except as to physical disabilities noted or recorded at the time of entrance CWP number 7277 of 2013. Stop. In the event of his subsequently being discharged from service on medical grounds, any deterioration in his health which has taken place is due to service. Stop. The claimant shall not be called upon to prove the conditions of entitlements. Stop. He will receive the benefit of any reasonable doubt. Stop. This benefit will be given more liberally to the claimants in field service cases. Stop. In respect of diseases, the following rule will be observed. Stop. Cases in which it is established that conditions of military service did not determine or contribute to the onset of the disease but influenced the subsequent courses of the disease will fall for acceptance on the basis of aggravation. Stop. A disease which has led to an individual's discharge or death will ordinarily be deemed to have arisen in service if no note of it was made at the time of the individual's acceptance for military service. Stop. However, if medical opinion holds for reasons to be stated that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination prior to acceptance for service, the disease will not be deemed to have arisen during service. Stop. If a disease is accepted as having arisen in service, it must also be established that the conditions of military service determined or contributed to the onset of the disease and that the conditions were due to the circumstances of duty in military service. Stop. Over.